So now this person who is querying here is talking about the same issue. He is saying that we are always united, the family used to get together, we are so many brothers and sisters and children and grandchildren and cousins and nephews and all get together over the so many years. They all grew up together as brothers and sisters. And now this one person, now he is talking about segregation. Men must eat separate, women must eat separate. So now he is creating division, he is creating disunity in the family. It is preventing us from enjoying our whole family together. Now look at how shaitan plays on the mind. Enjoying the whole family together, what does that mean? That means anybody's niece, cousin, daughter, or any woman of the family, irrespective of who she is, it is permissible now to associate with everybody, to shake hands with everybody, to have good fun and laughter and entertainment with everybody. Now, is that Islam? Is that Sharia? Does Islam want that kind of unity? We talk about unity, but is that what Islam wants? That kind of unity? Unity will be based on what Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala and His Nabi alayhi salatu wasalam talk about as unity. So that is not segregation, which is dividing the family. How does it divide the family? You meet your aunts, your foes, father's sisters, mother's sister, father's brother, mother's brother, the girls can meet. And then it goes extended whoever is within that category of being mahram. So you can still meet them on Eid day. We go to such kind of family functions, so we call our sister one side. If it's a whole gathering where all the other ladies are there, then you call your sister one side, you call your aunt one side, or you meet your granny, you meet your mahram ladies. But why must there be an insistence that no, we want to meet all the ladies? This whole issue of we grew up as brothers and sisters. So Sharia knows that you grew up as brothers and sisters. Cousins normally in the same house, they grow up together. But then after some time, when they become of age, and if that same cousin wants to marry another cousin, the nephew wants to marry his cousin, or the daughter wants to marry her cousin, or the son wants to marry his cousin, then at that time we say, no, but they grew up together. Say, yes, they grew up together, but aren't they cousins? Can't they marry each other? So now that time the masla is different now. When the time comes for marriage, if they get involved and they want to get married, so then at that time they don't say we grew up as brothers and sisters. Now they say we are cousins. And what does Sharia say about cousins? So you can see how shaitan and nafs, the way it suits us, then that time now we will say they are cousins, they can marry. What is wrong with it?